please. No. Okay. Come on. Doghouse, Megways, please. 3 losses in a row. Let this next one pay. Come on. Okay. Come on. Real 1. 3x. 3x. Nice. Okay, that's good. Now, real 4, please. This is the one house that we couldn't get the whole video. Yes! Oh my god! Oh, this is gonna pay! Please, come on. Oh, pink dogs! Yes! That's massive! Nice! Let's go! Come on, man! Nice! No way! Pink dogs again! Oh my! There we have it! Beautiful! That is what we was waiting for the whole entire video. Beautiful. Let's go. Oh my god. Almost 500x. 470x. Oh my god. Oh! How much is this? Oh my god! Oh! What? Oh my god. No, no.
Be a part of that percent, just hit the subscribe button. A lot of people don't even know that they're not subscribed, but you could check right now.
So just check. Yeah, don't be in no man's land. Be in Toaster Clan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, double. Okay, one here, one here. Okay.
This setup could be.
This is a good setup. This is a good setup.
On a 20k buy, that was 10k off one spin. 4 spins left.
Aces all the way.
This is
19k. 19.
This is the 29 fucking thing right here, bro. Come on.
Oh, we got a Rottweiler.
Right in the front. Right in the front.
That's another 20k. 13.
Oh my god, it's gonna keep printing,
it's
bro.
going. It's going.
For 2 more spins.
Two Rots.
Rots in the front.
Oh, and a 2x.
No,
this is massive.
No.
40k.
Oh
40k.
Oh,
83
for
20
again.
That all-in was the best idea we had.
Series.
Oh, and collars all the way, and 10s.
This is
56.
Oh my god, dude. Yes, dude.
56,000.
Yes.
140k.
Yes.
140.
Oh my gosh.
This is the win that we needed. From
What's
Doghouse
this?
to its 8.
Another
8, 148.
Holy bag of beans,
wow.
bro.
Wow. 148 from the...
I didn't think it was the whole video was going to spin like that. Like,
me either.
All right, so let's get...
We're winning a lot of money. We're losing a lot of money. It's I'm obviously up fucking so much this year. Let's just try and keep it that way because it's been rough lately. It's been rough since those big wins. The RTP, of course, is doing what it does best, fucking me over. Okay, so we need 2 more very quickly. Okay. It seems quite easy to get that first one unlocked. Why is that sticking there? Like, does anyone know why it's sticking? Is it because it needs a connection? Like, if it connects, then it sticks. If we get +3 spins here, if we get +2, that's not bad. We can get... Bro, it's... Oh. That's so fucked up. It replicates it. Oh. So if we get 2 more, it's going to replicate it to this one as well. But let's get some more houses on... Oh my god. Ew, I don't know what to say. Now, maybe I do like this. Maybe I do actually like this a little bit. Bro, give me 1 more. If we get a scatter, we're going to get at least another spin, like we do now. Please give me 3 more spins, and this is pretty much guaranteed definite profit. Ah, 2. Okay, I'll take that. I'll take that. 1 would have been kind of... Wow, this is so many opportunities to get wins here. And somehow found a way to fuck it up. Okay. Right. Yeah, get this unlocked. Bro, land a house down here in the middle. Oh my god. Oh my fucking... Oh my god, that's huge, man. This is huge. Wow. Bro, if we get 2 more scatters, it's gonna replicate this over there. This is insane. This is actually so insane. What? I don't actually know what to say. I'm really lost for words, actually. No. Wow. Okay, that's still a good hit, though, right? Yes. Bro, 180 grand. I am genuinely so confused at what they were thinking when they made this game. But I actually kind of like it. I actually genuinely kind of like it.
Nice, nice, nice. Come on, come on. Come on, dogs. Start fuck. Yes! Come on! Come on, dogs, please! Please! No, the thing is, the dogs could waste some time, right? Like, getting into the bonus wastes time on the clock. That's the problem here. It's gotta pay! Please! I've been a good boy! Please! Come on! Allison! Don't you dare fuck me here, dogs! Come on, doggos, come on! Middle! Yeah! Oh my god! Hey! Hey! Oh, this is gonna fucking pay! Everybody get up! Get your dogs close! Cause that's gonna fucking pay! If you have a helmet nearby, I need you to get a helmet on. Buckle it up, cause this one could fucking pay. Holy, let's go. Oh, guys, we made it look at $1 million. I'm serious. $1 million. Get up. Holy shit. Running! Oh, 180! A buzzer again! 219! Come on, Puggy. Puggy! 32K a pop! Oh my god! Oh yeah, baby! Let's go! Holy shit! Ah! 3 spins! Yeah, baby! 384! Oh my god! Another house! Guys, I'm letting you know right now, if that shows 3 blue dogs, that is a $1 million dream. 2 spins left. Oh! Oh! No way! No way! No way! No way! How on! Oh! Oh, it might be in! Oh! 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 Oh my god! Oh my god! Guys! Oh my god! The dogs! Oh my god!
Oh, 3 wilds?
3 wilds?
Fucking spin? That's weird. Another one? It didn't even sound. What the fuck? Imagine you get one here now. This is gotta be fucking insane.
Big oh god!
87,000! Look at his setup!
Blue dog! Oh! Oh!
What the fuck is happening? What is happening here, brother? Brother, look at these megaways.
Give us
63K?
How much is this?